This video will describe the grooving operation on the outer diameter of a workpiece. Begin by fitting the external groove cutting tool in the tool post. Adjust the tool tip height. Now advance the cross-slide feed divisions. Give an external cut to the required depth on the outer diameter of the workpiece. Go on to give the second cut. Ascertain the exact diameter of the groove using a vernier caliper. Continue the operation till you achieve the required dimension. Let's recapitulate the broad steps you need to perform for the external groove cutting operation. Step 1. Fix the external groove cutting tool. Step 2. Set the cross-slide drum feed. Step 3. Perform the external grooving operation. Step 4. Check the diameter. Step 5. Perform the external grooving operation.